everybody, welcome back to QuickThyme. Today I'm going to show you how to roast some garlic. So just take a head of garlic and you can either cut it down the middle or just cut off the top. Now just peel away some of the outer layer, but not too much because this is what's going to keep the garlic together as it roasts. And now just place your head of garlic on a sheet of foil and then just drizzle some good olive oil on top and then season with some sea salt and some black pepper. So you're going to fold it up and seal it completely. You're going to place it on a cookie sheet and then you're going to preheat your oven at 400 degrees and bake it off for 45 minutes. And we're all done. Garlic is really sweet once it's roasted, and just to give your food a little bit of extra added flavor, what you can do is you can fill up a jar of olive oil, add your garlic and a little sprig of rosemary, and it just makes your food that much more delicious. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on QuickThyme.